Hello and welcome to this rapid fire quick tip. Now this is a quick tip or an answer to a question, I guess, for the rapid fire system. Now I started a little series on this a couple of weeks ago. I looked at the rapid fire last summer and there's been a lot of changes, and that video was really talking about how to update the firmware. But I had a fantastic question from a gentleman called Electric Mountain Boards. And he was asking me, what is this little thing in the top right hand corner of the image that you get? So by default, in the full OSD that you get in the rapid fire, you can do all your notification. This is one of the cool things. All the things that you're changing on the screen kind of appear in your goggles. But in the default setting, and I'm looking at mine here in my HDOs, you have the two RSSI bars, which are the two horizontal bars for the top and bottom receiver, and you also have this thing on the right hand side. What the bloody hell is it? Well, I need to say a very big thank you to the guys at Immersion RC who've come back to me and actually answered this question, because to be honest, I didn't know the answer. The answer is that is a happiness meter, and it's showing you how well the rapid fire is able to combine the two signals from the two different antennas and produce the image that you're seeing in the goggles. Now, if you recall back in that initial video, I talked about the fact that the rapid fire system isn't standard diversity. In the latest firmware, there's actually 3 different types of setting that you can have. You can have the rapid fire version 1, rapid fire version 2, and kind of standard diversity. But using the rapid fire systems, and one of them is there to support older cameras that don't comply completely with the video standards, but with either of those rapid fire systems, the way it works is it's combining the best of both images using lots and lots of technology to give you the best possible image in your goggles. So it's using both antennas all the time and trying to get rid of all the nastiness out of one antenna by using the signal from the other, and lots of other cool things. So the happiness meter, as it's called, is there to show you how happy the rapid fire is with that process. The more full the bar, the more the rapid fire is able to pull that information out and to create really nice images for you. The lower that bar, the more the rapid fire is struggling. And if in your rapid fire you find that that bar is quite low, then it could be due to a number of things that you probably need to have a look at. You need to maybe have a look at the quality of the camera that you're using. You also need to check things like ground loops, things like motor noise, and those kind of things on the quad side that could be affecting the signal that the rapid fire is receiving, that's inhibiting its ability to perform really well and combine the images together to give you a really nice picture in your goggles. So that's the answer. It's a happiness meter. The fuller it is, the happier your rapid fire is. If you find that it's going down or you're having problems, then it's probably time to do some investigation with your camera and FPV system on your model. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support, and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organize all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlist around iNav. So thanks again for watching, and happy flying.